in the 2024 Dodge Charger Daytona Scat Pack Level 2. Are you really going to trade in your Hellcat for this first ever electrified muscle car? Let me show you around. Standard 12.3-inch infotainment system, Uconnect 5 performance pages with your launch control, line lock, race prep, drift mode, donut mode. It's all there. Heated seats, ventilated seats, haptic kickback on your dual climate AC controls, wireless charging, and the pistol grip shifter making a return. All new materials, your power on button, because this is an EV, and then the seats, Alcantara leather, full electric assist for the passenger, the driver, and a full glass panoramic roof. 16-inch digital gauge cluster, performance timers like 0 to 60, drive mode selector switch, and of course the power shot. 2 different types of leather, smooth, perforated. Down below don't have any aluminum pedals, so that is a zombie. Even though this Charger is a 2-door, there's plenty of room in the back seat. 670 horsepower, 0 to 60 with all-wheel drive, 3.3 seconds, quarter mile in 11.5 seconds, and you have a range of around 260 miles.